Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing well and I hope you are all ready to unbox some hosiery. Unbox some tights more specifically, and unbox some tights from Fiore, as you will have seen from the title. So if you didn't already know, if you haven't been watching my reviews, then I am somebody that likes the Fiore brand. It's definitely hit and miss with their sizing, but I really love their general manufacturing and their designs as well. They're just a little bit different, and also I think their price point is generally very good for the kind of extra designs and things that they do. So what am I showing you? I am showing you the Fiore Organica fashion tights. They're a 30 denier in black, and I have them in a size 4, which will be the equivalent of a large, and you can buy them in small, medium and large. Now it says that they have an invisible reinforced toe, a semi-sheer appearance, and 3D technology has been used in these tights. That is what it says on the tight spot. Of course, these come from the tight spot. As you know, a lot of my hosiery comes from the tight spot. It's where I shop the most, and it's where I can offer you all a 10% discount. So if you do like these or anything else, then you can pop the code Langford in at the tight spot and get yourself 10% off. But these tights are currently retailing for £10.95, so they're a little bit more expensive for some fashion tights, but I think it kind of does range between sort of £7 and can go all the way up. Roblu do a lot of fashion tights, a lot of pattern design tights, and they can be up to sort of £25. So when we think about it like that, these are definitely at the lower end of the price point for those things. But as always, I'm enjoying the packaging on Fiore. I can see exactly what the tights look like, what the pattern is. It's quite flattering shapes and on things on the legs, and we are that kind of black, white and grey. And then on the back, again, simple and clean too, with quite simple but important information on it. We've got a little window to see that they are indeed black. You can't see much there particularly, but it's there anyway. So what does it say here? For a size 3 to 4, it has a gusset. So we should be expecting to see a gusset on there, and obviously the reinforced toe, pattern tights, and these are 88% polyamide and 12% elastine, so a good amount of stretch in them, which is always good for a sort of a 30 denier, because it's a little bit more robust in terms of being able to sort of pull it around. Now these do in fact go up to quite a substantial size, or that's what they've said it goes to. It goes from an extra small all the way up to an extra large. Now you could only buy the small, medium and the large on the tight spot, so perhaps buying it from Fiore directly, which you can do, would give you all of that size range, or maybe another website. But yeah, that's pretty okay. If you wanted to go for the extra large, you can be up to 184 centimetres in height and up to 120 kilograms in weight. But yeah, hand wash at 30. Let's go ahead and let's get into them. I'm excited to see what these look like actually. Always nervous. It's quite warm here today, so I thought it would be a great idea to do a hosiery review, but because it's that little bit more sticky, I'm hoping that these run at a good size and don't run small, because otherwise it's going to be a bit tricky to get on. The usual plain cardboard wrap. Okay, let's take a look at these. So first things first, I have to mention, I'll shake them out a little bit, that the pattern is completely waist to toe, which I love. Waistband right here is quite thick actually. It's got a good amount of stretch and tautness to it, so I think it's going to hold nicely. But it looks, I mean, it's a little bit lumpier, but I think once it's stretched out, it's fine. The seams seem to be matching each other as well, which is always good. And let's have a little look at the crotch, because it did say that we were getting some sort of reinforced gusset, and yes, it was correct. It's actually, is it a cotton gusset? Let's have a little look. It looks to be. So yeah, we've got a little cotton gusset on these, which is actually really neatly done and sewn, so that's good, and it feels really soft too, so bonus on those. But yeah, the general shape of them, just simple, the usual kind of, no shaping to them. And then we can have a little look at that design. So I'm not sure what it meant exactly by 3D technology, but I'm guessing that this is slightly more raised. The way it's been produced makes it look a bit more 3D than not. But it's quite an interesting sort of weave on these tights actually, because it's quite open. It's quite an open weave. It's not tightly woven. It's almost giving me, I reviewed some Roblu tights that were sort of like a green diamond pattern. I've reviewed them here on the channel. It's reminding me of that, even though the tights had a bit of tulle in them. But this kind of texture is reminding me of it. So yeah, as it said, reinforcement is completely invisible and you can't see anything there at all. But the pattern looks really rather nice actually. Reminds me of a couple of people who actually have that kind of strand as tattoos on their body. That's become quite popular recently. But anyway, I digress. Let's go ahead, let's get them on and see what we think for the price point. Okay, so as you can see, I have the tights on, and I think they're really nice. I think what I would prefer is to have had them in a bigger size. Maybe, I don't know. It's hot, so it took me a very, very, very long time to put these on. And I'm not sure if that's because of the heat and the fact that my legs are a bit clammy and sticky, so things are sticking, or whether or not these are actually quite small for the fact that they're meant to be a large. I do get this with Fiore. I find that I have to definitely size up, and sometimes I size up again, depending on the design and depending on the style, whether it's, you know, a pair of crotchless tights or stockings or, you know, that kind of thing. But what I will say is that I would have really liked to have had access to being able to buy the XL, which I don't believe at the point that I purchased these was available on the tight spot to buy. So it would be really great if the tight spot had access to the like bigger variety of the sizes, because I think for me I would have felt more comfortable in the XL, because I would say the sizing runs small. Anyway, let's take a look at them in general. So as always, I'm going to start with the feet, and we can go from there. So, like it said in the advert, the feet have invisible reinforcement, so there isn't anything to actually see in terms of a band, but it is really nice that the pattern goes all the way onto the toes, you know, and all the way back up onto the waist. There is a little bit of kind of a sheen to these, which I think is coming through from the pattern itself. But yeah, the weave to me is still very, very interesting. It's very open. And again, it's very, very similar to the Aroblu tights, which had the tulle in. Now, these obviously don't. But yeah, it's interesting. It's worth noting that there is a snag here. You can see the line here, the little bit of thread and the hole is there, and there's also one here too. There's a little line across there. You could argue that that's not the best manufacturing. There's also one on this leg here. But you could also argue that that's to do with the stickiness of my legs, but also the size point. So yeah, I'm obviously being critical in that sort of respect, but it's worth mentioning and being aware of. But overall, I don't know. I like the idea of them. I'm obviously not sure how they are coming across on camera. I really like the tights from here down. I just think on the thigh, I don't know, they're not really doing it for me. I don't know what it is. I can't specifically say. I think these are too open for me on the thigh. Here it looks like it's pulling a bit too much. It's making my leg look a bit mottled, I think, from what I can see from this angle. So from here, as is, the length of the shirt, I think looks nice. But I don't know. Personally, I'm not a massive fan of how it kind of looks like that. But yeah, I think overall they're really, really gorgeous. I think the issue is for me that I could have done with having them in the bigger size. As I say, this can be an issue with Fiore. I am by no means a large person. I'm a 12 on the bottom. That's it. A large most definitely should have fit me without any issues, but I just feel like from the thigh upwards it's just getting a bit, it's getting tight. I mean, if I try and grab some of it, it's not really a lot left here. I mean, it stretches quite far, but obviously the more you stretch things, the more they open, the weaker they get, etc. So I would have preferred to have had the pattern that looks like this all the way up my leg, rather than having it really, really stretched and under pressure. If I move around too much and stretch it more, maybe I'll get a hole in them. I'm not, not sure. So yeah, I'm not blown away personally by the fit of these. I really like the design, but I'm just disappointed that I wasn't able to buy them in an XL, because then I think I would have really liked them. But yeah, I think they need to work on the sizing. The waistband feels fine, it's okay. It does ride down more at the back. Again, that could be a sizing issue, or the fact that it's not quite gone over the butt enough. Yeah, I'm not blown away by these. I'm probably going to give them, currently as they are, in this size, I'm probably going to give them like maybe a 5. I do genuinely think if I'd had them in a better size, I probably would have given them more of a 7. But I'm also not sure, I don't know, I'm not sure if I visually like the such a large hole in them. I know they've done that to make it sheer enough, but I also think they maybe could have done something here. I don't really know what the 3D technology thing's about, because if they had actually been slightly 3D, there had been a rise on this pattern, I think you would have been able to have got away with a slightly thicker base where you didn't have all these big holes. Yeah, so again, it's personal preference. There'll be lots of people that will like this kind of look, that more kind of open weave on the base, but yeah, I'm going to give them a 5 as they are, and if they fit better, I'd probably give them about 7.5. So it's a shame because overall I really like the idea of them. I'm not sure I like them on me, probably. But yeah, anyway, let me know what you think of these in the comments below. I'm sure they look a bit different on camera. Things you tend to usually look nicer on camera than they do in person generally. So yeah, let me know. But let me know what your experience is with Fiore if you have purchased from them before. Let me know if you find them small, what you think the quality's like, all that kind of good stuff. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all very soon for another unboxing and review. Bye.